It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start smart device, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,